Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for a memory plan with me. This week is for the week of January 25th through January 31st. I'm using this kit from Caress Press that is called Hot Chocolate. I think this still may be up on our shop. I did do quite a bit of shopping actually just this past week. I got so many orders in. And I'm excited for all that to come in because that will be in my new haul that will be up once I get everything in. Um, but yeah, so this week was a pretty long, tough week. This was so long ago now. It's almost been 2 months since this week had actually happened. Um, I've had this film for quite a bit, just haven't had time to edit it. Honestly, it's just been on my phone sitting there. But I finally took the day yesterday, which was Sunday, and filmed and edited a couple of videos. You guys will have a couple this week. Um, yeah, so everything for this spread. I did do hollow foil for this week. The date dots that I use are from Kinsey's Creations. I've never used her date dots before, but I think I got in my latest order I did. I think I got all of the foiled date numbers. So I wanted to try it out for this spread. Also, the sidebar looks a little bare. Like I did put everything in there, but I just have not filled it out even now. So I need to fill out my work, which is what I did for the weekly little checklist. And then the large box, I don't know what I'm going to put in there. I might put in that it was a rough week because it was yet again a rough week at work. I did do a couple day extenders because it was a pretty busy week and there were a lot of boxes I wanted to use for this spread that came in the kit, and I just really like this. I think it's a really good transition like spread or kit for like January into February because it does have pops of pink in there for the month of February, yet it's still like a winter kit. So I think that's why I decided I wanted to get this. And this was when I was not hoarding kits and not purchasing very much. So this was like a pretty top kit that I wanted to get because I knew I was going to use it for this year. So here I am just starting, and I'm going to go ahead and finish the sidebar. I've been loving doing the floating sidebar with putting like underlays on the sidebar. So these ones are actually from Crest Press as well, and these are in hollow with the bow confettis. Um, and yeah, and then I'm also tracking my vitamins, which I did really good this week and the following week, but that's it. I have not been doing well after that. And then, so the sidebar vitamin sticker is from Letters to Apollo. I do PR for her. You can use the code Erica10 to get 10% off of your order, and you can get our freebie too. And then I also use the January script, and that is also from Letters to Apollo. Okay, so first thing I'm marking on the 25th, I do end up pulling everything up just to kind of rearrange it so the spacing was correct. But the first thing I did mark was that I was pretty sore. I did have my massage the day before, and it was a lot. It was a long massage. I think it was a 2 hour massage I got, and it was much needed. I was definitely super tight, but yeah, so I was just like really, really sore like the following days after. But this was the first day I was extremely sore. So I used a Glam Planner Kiss My Girl to mark that and a sore script from Kinsey's Creations. Also, I used this this sticker from Once More with Love. It's from the UGG Monday one, and it was definitely that type of Monday. It's been a while since I've had a Monday like that, but it was definitely a Monday. And then I also took a nap after work. The nap script is from Ice Cream Joe, and I use a pumpkin paper Girl to mark that. Underneath that, I marked that it was a really rainy day. Um, Again, it doesn't rain very much here, but when it does, it's kind of like, I don't know, it's really yucky out. I mean, I'm sure it's yucky everywhere it rains, but it's just never a good time. So it was super, super windy. I remember I had to go back to work that afternoon, and I thought my car was going to blow over. Like it was so windy. The rainy day script is from Station Stickers, and I used a Maru from Paper and Milk For dinner, I made shrimp tacos. I don't think I've made it since then. I've been really craving it, so maybe we'll have that for dinner today since I did take the day off again. I swear I'm like using all my days off, but I am done in May, so I guess that's okay. I don't know. I just have been not doing haven't been doing very well, guys. So I had to take today off again. But made shrimp tacos that day. And the icon is from Scribble Prince Co. And the shrimp taco script is from me. I made it. Same with the It's Monday script. So I did make all these scripts that I'm not mentioning that are from like a particular shop. We also played some chess this day. That chess script is from Kinsey's Creations, and the chess sticker, like game sticker, is from GP Studio. She is going to reopen. I know she mentioned that on Instagram. I still don't think she has officially reopened. So I'll keep you guys posted on that because she's like one of my favorite shops. And then underneath that, I took some me time. I did like a hair mask and a face mask, and that is from Valerie Papery, the me time script. And then oh yeah, I do have a coupon code for her as well. So you guys can use my code Erica10 to get 10% off. And I think she's having like a spring sale or something like that. I'm going to check really quick because I did just see that she posted that. Let's check on Instagram. Give me a moment here. Oh yeah, so so she has clear stickers now. So clear script stickers. So she just posted that today on the 29th. So definitely go check it out and use my coupon code Erica10 to get 10% off. And then to end my day on Monday, I marked that that I filmed a plan with me, and that is from Letters to Apollo. Moving on into Tuesday. Tuesday was just a really great day at work. So I used a Fox and Pip like crayon sticker to mark that. And then I also took a nap with Lala. When I got these stickers from Fox and Pip, I mentioned that that is what I would use them for because that is how she sleeps. And it's not very comfortable for either of us, or for me or Dean. She's the most comfy as can be, but that's literally what it looked like. And I wake up sore all the time because I'm like in the weirdest position because she's in the weirdest position. And then I had a YouTube binge. YouTube binge script is from Magical Sticker Co. And the TV icon is from, where's that from? I think it's Right Brain Paper Co., which she is no longer open. And then I used another Kiss My Ass like face palm because this was the day my computer, so Lululemon did get me a computer to use for work, but they shipped it to my dad's house instead of here, so I can't even use it, and I have to ship it back like once I'm done working here, like where I'm currently working, and I won't be able to because I'm not moving back during that time. So I was just really frustrated because I wanted to use my computer because they gave me one that was damaged, and so I returned it and they shipped it to the wrong address, which is, I don't know, I'm a little salty about it just because we always make sure to like make it a thing of like asking the guests to confirm their shipping address that they want like something shipped to, and they should have asked me to confirm. So I was a little upset about it. I mean, I'm over it now. But I need to figure out how I need to get that shipped back to my work. But I will figure that out when the time comes. I also edited this day. The edit script is from Kinsey's Creations, and the TV icon is from Letters to Apollo. I also did my first inserts in my new Caress Press inserts that you guys are seeing me filming. So it was really exciting, and I used a SPC with the letters, or SPC and Once More with Love collab, and that is the Jessica one, Little Munchkin, and then I also had a phone call with Gabby. Moving on into Wednesday, it was a crazy day at work. What else is new? Fox and Pip girl to mark that. I also had a really bad headache slash migraine. The girl sticker is from Stick with the Plan Co. and a headache script from Kinsey's Creations. I also cooked this day. I used a munchkin to mark that, and the cook script is from Station Stickers. I do have a PR code for her as well. You guys can use Erica10, or no, just my name, Erica. I think last time I said Erica10, but no, it's just my name. I always have all my PR codes linked down below so you guys can just know exactly what to put in. So it's just my name and you can get 10% off of your order. And then Dean and I did play chess once again. The chess script is from Kidsy's Creations and I tidied up around the house to end my night. Moving on into Thursday. Thursday was like a weird day. I don't know what was wrong with me. I was super off. I forgot everything. I forgot my glasses, which I noticed like once I was like driving a little bit because I can't really drive without my glasses, but it's like doable, but it is borderline dangerous. So, and I didn't feel like going back to go get them, so I made it to work and back, and I forgot my Apple Watch, and it was just like an off day. And the kids were like, "Who the heck are you?" Because I didn't have my glasses on. And I always wear my glasses, so it was just a weird day. And then I was just super tired, so I took a nap when I came home, but I was tired AF. And then we DoorDash oreganos for dinner because I didn't feel like cooking. I also did some dishes when after work, and I passed out after work. Like I was so tired. Moving on into Friday, started the day with a headache. I remember I just like woke up with a headache. It was not fun. And then it was just a long day. I did have to work at the school, but I also was working at Lululemon, and it was a very brutal long day this day. I also made some whipped coffee. I did go on like a coffee toilet break, which is really cool. We get to go on like coffee breaks to go get something to eat or make a coffee. So I did go do that. I used a paper and milk coffee sticker, and then I was just feeling super sick this day. And I honestly think I've figured it out what is making me sick. One of my essential oils, well, it's actually two of them. They're pretty similar. They're more of like the like fur, like Siberian fur, and there's this other like Christmassy one that does have that in there. Whenever I diffuse it, I get such bad allergies, and I don't get allergies ever, but I think that's what it is. I kind of want to try it one more time just to see if I get sick because then I'll kind of know what it is. Um, but I just had really bad allergies. So I was starting to feel sick because I was diffusing that day. And then this day also was the day Lala got hurt. We do not know what happened to her. Like she was running around outside like how she normally does, and then flying throughout the day. And then late at night, Dean noticed that she was having trouble walking. So it was something with her back legs, but we didn't know at the time. And then at first I was just like, she's just overreacting because she's a drama queen, which she is, but she really was hurt and I feel kind of bad. And then on Friday I washed my hair and then I just couldn't sleep because Lala was just moving around because she could not get comfortable and she was just so uncomfortable and in pain. Moving on into Saturday, I was exhausted because I got no sleep. And then Lala was just like not getting better. So it was really hard. And then I was officially like considering myself sick because I felt awful. And the sixth script is from Letters to Apollo. And then for dinner, we had pizza and wings. Homemade pizza and wings. I did make those at home in my air fryer. The pizza I did make like on my pizza stone. And then Dean went to the grocery store. And then later on Sunday, I did have to work, so I picked up a shift that day because I think I called out one of the days this week. But I got some morning coffee. That is my favorite script. And I also started watching 90210, not the old one, the one that was out when I was a kid. I remember my mom always watching that, but I watched like the newer one that came out like when I was in high school. So I'm still watching. I'm almost done with it. I think I have one season left. And then I also did some laundry. And then this day, since I was off relatively early, I think I worked at 6, and so I was off at 2, I think. We were like, we just need to take Lala to the vet. So we had to take her to the vet. It's the most traumatic experience I've ever, well, that's a lie. The most traumatic was when we had to put Max down. But it was really sad because we had to go to an emergency vet because everything was closed and we waited so long and we saw so many dogs come in. Like we saw this one police dog come in that had been, oh, it's so traumatic. I think he had been shot or something because like the police officer came like with his sirens right into the vet and he just came out like so devastated like within minutes and it was so traumatic. Oh my gosh, I like still can't get that image out of my head. But I ended up taking her to the vet. She has something, I'm gonna have to look up what it is in my next plan with me. I'll tell you guys what it is, but she has some like neurological disease or something. So I'll find out what the name is, but I found out that's what it is. We hadn't eaten all day, and so we got Taco Bell because that was the only thing close to the vet. And then I think we were just very stressed, so we were kind of annoyed with each other on the way home. And then to end our night, though, we did have some family time, and we just cuddle in bed, all four of us, and I think we watched a movie or something or a show, but yeah. So here's what my spread looks like. I forgot to film an outro, so this is a quick little outro here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next time with me.